Hey. Kirby's Adventure! Well, I guess it's kind of required that I play through this one. Everybody in the world has played through this game at some point. Although I don't remember shit from it. Shouldn't be a problem, though. It's freaking Kirby. Fly! Hey, wait, no. I'm just trying to fly through here. Leave me alone. See how fast I can beat this shit. Ow, you asshole! Come back here. I need that. You killed it. It's gone forever. I guess this will do for now. Damn it! Bastard! God, I'm sucking it up. Kirby was always super easy though, so I'm not worried. Whoops! I pressed that a little too soon. What the hell was this? Oh right, the crane game. Aw, damn it! Hey, I made it! Yay! I won't make it with that one. And I let go of A like a retard. Whatever. Moving on. I do believe this was one of the games where the power of dance was invented. Because Kirby dances himself. My favorite power! Hey! Asshole. Fuck off. No, I don't even want your power. This is my favorite power. I want to keep it. Damn it! No! Come back! You made me lose my favorite power, you assholes! Fine, I'll take this. Aw, crap, you don't get it from the little ones. I kinda need that. Alright, going up. That'll do. Level 3. Derp, derp, derp. Derp, derp, derp. Cannons are for losers. Flying over the levels is the way to go. Ah, fuck! Aw, damn it. Freaking hate this one. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that hurts. Give me that. Flying over the levels again. Blah, blah, blah. This is Kirby. What the freaking hell am I supposed to say about Kirby? Oh, we're going up. Later. Oh, you bitch. God damn it! Oh, fuck you. I need a tomato. Ah! Ah! And I died. I can't believe it. That's what I get for being reckless. Oh well. Fuck off. Where'd that guy go? He was a cool guy. That'll do for now. Whatever.